following directions apply to wood and metal posts. With the tensioner installed on one end of the cable run, pull the cable tight alongside the post where the fitting will be installed. Mark the cable 1 1/8 inch from the back side of the post in accordance with the instructions included with the fittings. Cut the cable at the mark with a cable cutter. Loosen the tensioner on the other end of the cable run. Feed the cable through the hole in the post. Slide the washer onto the cable. Push the cable into the hole in the push lock fitting. Twist the cable in the right-hand direction with the lay of the cable as you push it into the fitting. Feed the fitting into the post and pull the cable tight. Tighten the tensioning end of the cable.